Picking up where I left off, I had potting soil delivered and I went to go put it into the cedar boxes. I've got some sticks that I'm going to put in the raised bed. Thank you to my friend Deb for suggesting this. Check out her channel, Squishable Delights. I'll link it here and in the description. But yeah, I'm just going to line the box and kind of crisscross them to make the bed a little bit higher. Hey. Alright, so there's the 2 cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna put a different type of tomato, probably a Roma tomato, and then peppers in here, or maybe zucchini, I guess, and then peppers in here. Alright, so these are gonna go outside. More peppers and more peppers. A few days later, so we have a little Roma tomato plant. They go in here. No. Daphne, get out of there. Daphne, come on. No. No. What do you have to say for yourself? Stupid, get out of there. Out. There's Ash. Okay, these are all ready to go. I think I'm gonna put strawberries here, and then I forgot I planted a little guy right there. So maybe potatoes and a asparagus here, I'm thinking. So the little seedlings or the seeds I planted the other day are popping up, so that is exciting. I don't know where the other one is. I think this may be it. Somebody dug up. I think squirrels are getting in here, in addition to my dogs. But I just have to plant more. I don't know. So I've got my carrots. I think I'm going to save these for another planter. And I cannot find sweet potatoes, so we're going to just start with these, some asparagus, and then three strawberry plants. Green beans, strawberries, potatoes, zucchini, peppers, more peppers, asparagus, and then carrots. So my husband put this in yesterday. Put all our cinder blocks and stepping stones in here. Hey Ash. Ash, careful. There's a little raspberry bush. Yeah, so and then he put the bricks. And then we're gonna put down gravel. We're gonna order bulk gravel and put it in these spaces and then line this because we're out of bricks. Hey Daphne. Wind knocked this over. I need to secure it down, of course. Get out. Come on. Out. So I just picked up some 2x2 planters, raised planters, and I'm going to put pumpkins in one and then raspberries in the other. Put it over here. Okay, so these are shepherd's hooks. These are 90 inches I got overcharged for them. They're only $46.99. I was charged $65. So I've got to dispute that with the nursery. You like it up there? Zips, you want to get in? You want down? Stephanie? No. Want to eat some lunch. Okay, so here I had some leftovers. So I just doubled them up. doubled up the boards. Then I pushed it against here so it could have a little backing. And then I've got my little mini water barrel. Sniffy, stop! And then extra potting soil. Gravel should arrive tomorrow. Sniffy! Shush! The gate falling down in the wind. Tried to get my husband to help me anchor it, but it's getting dark, so he didn't want to do that. He didn't want to help, so I'll do it tomorrow. And then we just moved some stuff out of the way because mowers are coming tomorrow, so we moved those green things.